are they? Next, we have fishing with Josh Block and at I love Aloe Rain at Blame Tony. MJ plays pools, hot tubs, and beaches. With the tags Casino Automotive Girl Spade. Absolutely fucking awesome. Don't you just love it? That's what I have on my recommended channels. And I don't actually look at this stuff. I don't look at Twitch. I don't watch Twitch. I watch other stuff, like other things. Like I watch Asmund Gold on YouTube. So different. That's edited. Yeah. So all the bad opinions are out. Or are they?